Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about InShot video editor, how to install the video editor and use and know different kind of features, and furthermore, how to sign up for a pro version of InShot app. So if you are new to the video, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and I hope so you all guys having a good day. So let's move on for the today's video. So if you are an Android user, just simply go to the Play Store. In Play Store you will just search for InShot, and you can see here is the app. This is the app InShot. So you just simply go to there, and as you can see, it's a very small app. You just simply press on the install button and it will get installed. So if you are new to the video, just subscribe my channel and watch the whole video. Don't skip any part of the video in which I will tell you complete process of using InShot app and different features and how to sign up for pro version of InShot app. So keep watching the video and don't skip any part. So if you are an iPhone user, just simply go to the App Store and press the bell icon. Just go to the App Store and search for InShot app, and there you will get this app also for iPhone user. So here you can see installing is started, and in few moments it will get installed, and then I will move you to the further process of using InShot video editor and how to sign up for the pro version. As you can say, it's installed, and we'll just click on the open button, and here you can see three options. So here is video, photo and collage. So before moving on to the video, I will show how to sign up for the pro version. Here you can see InShot Pro. Join InShot Pro. Here you can see different prices. You can see monthly, yearly and one-time purchase. So which package do you like? You can choose. It's 320 per month. So it's 7 days free trial on yearly purchasing. So from here you can sign up for the pro version, and furthermore I will move you guys to the further features. I will just click a video. You can see it's blank. As you can see, it's blank video. So here are different features: filter, pip, duration, split, delete, background. Every options is here. As you can see, I will just click on the filters and I can change filters. Yeah, as it's blank, so you can not see anything. From moving on, I will choose another clip to ensure you the complete process. I will click this and take it here. Here you can see it's a picture. Sorry, it's a video, and you can choose different filters. Here you can see, very easy to handle. Every kind of feature is here: reverse, forward, duplicate. Every feature is here, so it's very easy to use. I will just discard this video. Here you can also edit your photos and make collage. So from here also you can sign up for the pro version. So it's very easy to handle and a very good video editor for your mobile editing. So this was the video for today. I hope so you all guys have liked my video, and just subscribe my channel for the future videos and press the bell icon, and you will get latest notifications of my videos. So just share this video with your friends, and keep supporting us for the latest videos. Till then, goodbye.